Our Father, who art in
Grenada!
on the way,
We have to give praises. All is the mighty crowd! Fire!
my seat on a plan, favors out of like bang.
Turn it up! Greetings in the name of love, health, and prosperity. My name is Lee Major. I play a song called Earth Roller. But you see my brethren here, I now live in my H1 team and a KAMP song from Grenada. Quarantine Port! Put your hands together! Welcome! KAMP song!
A KAMP sound all the time. I'm telling you, sound killing champion. Telling you,
Yo!
KAMP sound. Well, this is KAMP sound, the sound
Excellent
killing champion. Like some
level. You have some people that judge you in a life. Big up the people that we're not afraid of water. Because every day we're supposed to be it. It's a natural liberty. Be it water, soap, why, run from it. You understand? So big up all the people and we lose them identity and get lost. But all the people we believe in mighty Father and Father God has strived them to the right direction. You hear me? And God bless!
sleep over my soul.
Rhythm sweet. Easy. Easy. Hear me I say. Me I gonna play one more. How much time I have? One more? Short leg. Link up right now. Hear me I say, people. Me I gonna play one more then cut. I gonna play a 45. Can't play one. Why not? Beat out some song, right? You have some people that talk about say them are the baddest set of people, right? When they get caught up and brought up on charges, they never spend more than 24 hours in jail. Them always come out. You get to find out say them an informer. All no born informer, put your hand in the air right now.
Them coward like that. Never yet get a charge. So hold your bar. So hold your bar.
Everybody will know nobody can disrespect your mother. Everybody must have black in the Wanna she see the child molester?
Proud of the place with the bang bang boom. The rifle with long damn broom. When we come from Can Bang school, some pussy does a sing.
Stop. Easy. People, they said I represent New York City, but big up to my mother and father in the crowd, living in Grenada right now, way up in the country. You understand me? I wave the flag all over the world. This Wednesday I'm in Jamaica. Alright? After that, Houston, then Bahamas. So big up to all Grenadians. I love you. Yours truly, Kevin Crown. I'm out. Big up yourself. Give Kevin Crown a round of applause, man. Yeah. Representative.
2, 3, 4 and more. KEVLAR tour come knocking at your door with music for sure. Yeah, this is our representing. Hey, it's a musical thing. KEVLAR tour. Hey, keep it rocking and swing. Let me get